everyone is now eager to close, to have as many hugs as possible afterwards, because this is quite important. So we have few things at closing. First of all,
you see how happy we are that the conference is closing.
Yeah. So we are still happy, smiling. So let's follow.
And a bit more relaxed.
1,067 registered attendees on site. RecSys had in past more registered than this, but probably this is the record number for on-site registration, and we very much hope that it will be higher next year.
And everybody asks when the slides will be available. So I think in 2 weeks, we will be able to process it and make it available online on ACM YouTube channel and also Slides Live.
And now, thank you all starting. So, Markus.
So RecSys would never have been possible without the involvement of a lot of people, and would like to start thanking the student volunteers. So if you're here...
Applause. So
applause.
We will just name and you can applause. So the second one... Go.
So to the keynote speakers, of course, Emilia, Jure and Xavier. To a lot of sponsors, of course. Well, you already seen all the logos.
So we will not read them now, all.
Very special
Huge thanks to our local organizing agency for all this wonderful food and everything. So special thanks to Christina, who will take care of us, and Matthias and other, and of course members of the crew.
Are you here somewhere?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. So big applause for them.
And of course ACM and executive.
And of course ACM and executive events, because they helped us quite a lot. Sometimes we actually needed a bit more, but without them it wouldn't happen. And now,
yes, the organization team, so 52 members. If you've seen your name here, a very, very big thank you. Your face here, of course.
Please come and join us here.
Come and join us.
Very special thanks. I mean, all of you were amazing. Still very, very special thanks to Sola and Marco, great program chairs.
Thank you really a lot, because without you, it wouldn't be possible.
Thanks.
So take the present.
I think also huge thanks to steering committee and especially Alan.
Is Alan here?
Because always when we need it, Alan was able to help us. He's over there. Please, Alan, come here as well.
Where you are? Come here.
So you got a present, please.
We should add you to the photo. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, because to have such dedicated steering committee chair, and now congratulations, Alan, because maybe you all don't know, but he was elected for forever on next 3 years.
And then, of course, this conference would not be so great if you are not here. So we hope you enjoy it here and you had fun yesterday and you'll have fun for the rest of the event, for tomorrow. So huge thanks to you.
Thank you.
Thanks to you all. And RecSys2025 is coming to an end. I'm sure you will also have fun next year. So we will transition to Minneapolis.
Yeah, so next general chairs, please
Yes, George, are you here? Yes.
come here and introduce next year. And thank you once again to all.
Yes. Yes.
Good afternoon or late afternoon, everybody. My name is George Karipis. I'm one of the general chairs for the 2026 RecSys. As you guys notice, that 2026 is a special year. It's the 20th anniversary of the conference, right? So, and so I was actually looking at the RecSys website to try to figure out what happened 19 years ago, right? So, so the first conference, the first version of this conference was held in Minneapolis in 2007, back in 19th to the 20th of October. That's a two-day conference. So, so I was reading the text associated with that, and I noticed some interesting numbers. So the call for papers for RecSys attracted 35 long papers, right, and 23 short papers. And, the acceptance rate was, 46% and 61%. So how many of you guys remember those good old days of, a double-digit number of papers? There you go. So anyway, as you guys heard, next year's RecSys will be held in Minneapolis. So we're trying to recreate some of the experience that we had in the first year's RecSys. I don't think we can do that part, right? Unfortunately, but at least we can do the location. So RecSys for 2026 will be held in Minneapolis. So will be held roughly in a year and 3 days from now, right? So if I got my dates correctly, and so it will be from September the 28th to the October 2nd. So this is throughout the week, and we have already started putting together the key members of the conference. So as I mentioned, I'm one of the general chairs, but I have a lot of help in that process. So Joe and Geddes, that many of you guys know, are also involved as general chairs on the conference. So one of the things that all of us have in common, all of us are from the University of Minnesota. So there's definitely a lot of local presence, at RecSys 2026. And we are fortunate to have, 3 program committee members that agreed to join us in this endeavor. Min, Bart, and Martijn, which, Bart is there, I think Martijn is somewhere there, I saw him. I don't know if Min is here today or not. Now, how many of you guys have been in Minneapolis? We'll fix that. Okay, so for those who don't know the geography of the United States, Minneapolis is in an area that's called the Upper Midwest. We are the first line of defense, from the Canadian invasion, right? But I think we are safe, right? So the conference will take place actually downtown, and I was trying to locate the hotel that will be holding it, and it's behind this tower, like a couple blocks. So you guys cannot see it, right? So, but I pulled out a video from the city of Minneapolis to give you guys an idea about what the city of Minneapolis looks like for those who haven't been there. So let's hope that thing will actually play. So Minneapolis is a city that has a lot of firsts. Of course, it had the first RecSys. That's the most important thing, right? But it's also the place that it's the first place where skyways were invented in the United States. For those guys who don't know what skyways are, right, are the things that connect the skyscrapers on the first floor, right? So the whole idea is not to have to go outside, right? So just connect through the skyways, right? So Minneapolis was a place where the first bridge that crossed the Mississippi was built. Actually, is not very far away from that bridge. So this is the Mississippi River, right? So as I mentioned, the conference will be taking place downtown. I think the reception will be right here. And it's a great place to go running, sightseeing and so forth. It will be the best time of the year when it comes down to weather, right? So that is like the beginning of the fall colors in Minneapolis. It will be warmer than today, for example, here, and hopefully no rain. So anyway, looking forward to you guys, to submitting your papers, and seeing you in Minneapolis. So see you guys next year.